reflection. So I decided to go swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection.
Hey guys, this is Each Natural Chick. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install these clip-ins with better length. So keep watching. Check out this cute bag that these clip-ins came in. So the company sent me one bundle, and that's all you would need for this style. The bundle came with 10 clip-ins. 2 of them had 5, 2 with 4, 2 had 3, and then 4 of them with 2. So here are the clip-ins pulled apart separately. And next I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be dyeing the clip-ins to get it almost the exact same color as my hair. So now I'm mixing the developer, the powder, and the liquid. And I really don't measure it, I just kind of mix half and half. So basically you just mix it to your liking. Some people like it thick and some people like it more liquid. So now you're just brushing the developer into your hair. So just make sure you put enough developer so that the hair is colored all the way through. And as you can see, I'm only coloring the bottom section because I wanted that ombre look just like my hair. Add in another piece of foil on the top, and what the foil does is it helps with the process. And what I did was I kind of eyeballed the hair inside the foil, and I think it took about 8 minutes for it to actually lift to the exact color that I want, because the developer that I used was a 30 volume and it helps develop it fast. So once you've rinsed all the dye out of the hair, you just want to use a deep conditioner for the hair. And what I chose to use was the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil. And I let it sit in the hair for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it out and let it air dry. This is the whole bundle put together. And I think it came out pretty good. Yes. I thought I was going to have to use the Cream of Nature color to add on to it, but it actually came out the exact same color as my hair, other than the blonde tips on the end. So I'm starting off with my wash and go. If you haven't seen my wash and go video, check it out on my channel. Yes, how you gonna act with long hair? Go girl. You're gonna need to separate the front of your hair from the back so it'll be easier for you to add the clip-ins to the back of your hair. So just separate your hair into sections. It doesn't have to be perfect because no one is going to see it. So just kind of pull your hair apart and then clip up the top so that you'll be able to add the clip-ins easier. So for the back, I start off with the track that has 3 clip-ins. As you can see, it's so easy to install them and it just clips right into your hair. So the next one that I'm going to be installing also has 3 clips.
Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if you can bring that's the out of me.
So just keep adding the clip-ins to each section of your hair to where it fits in. So as you can see, the top of my hair has a little bit slightly different color. That's because my hair is 3 different colors and the tips of my hair is more blonde than the honey blonde. So you'll see at the end I'll be going in and blending the hair some more with the gel that I'm using. So the gel that I'm adding to my hair is the Krystal Ego Styler Gel, and I'm also using the Curly Custard Without Silk Element. It's also the same thing that I use for my wash and go video. So in the front, I'm adding the smaller pieces, the ones with the 2 clips on them. So just kind of take your gel and work your fingers through your hair so that the hair can blend in with the clip-ins. You can use a comb or a toothbrush or whatever you use to lay down your edges. So what you see now, I'm going to be cutting 1 in half. That's fine if you need to cut some of them in half just so it can adjust to your hairstyle. That's perfectly fine. So guys, I'm adding the last track here, and probably after I do this hairstyle, what I'll probably do the next time is I won't leave so much hair out at the top. So overall, I love this hair. The process was easy. The clip-ins was easy to install into my hair. So now what you see me doing, I'm just going to be playing around with my hair until I get it to the style that I desire. I can't wait to try other styles. Thank you guys for coming to my channel and watching my video. See you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.